Fatigue. Why do we get tired? Why do we run out of energy? Why can't we just run, hop, skip, jump forever? When I was a kid, it was explained to me like this. You're like a toy. You got a battery. Your battery runs down. Or you're like a car. You need gas to go. When I was a kid, everything was explained to me like I was some kind of machine. And it didn't make any sense. Because if the gas is fat, well, I got plenty of that. And especially when I'm in ketosis, I'm never running out of gas. I've got so much energy. And besides, even if I did, it seems like you ought to be able to run another 2 miles if you just have a bag of Skittles or something. Energy input is not the limiting factor. It's not why our bodies get fatigued. The analogy to the machine or the Energizer Buddy, it's wrong. So why do we get fatigued? Fatigue is our body's response to the threat of overheating our mitochondria. It is the mitochondria that are the source of energy conversion. It's the mitochondria that convert the glucose in my bloodstream or the lipids in my blood that are released by my fat cells. It's the mitochondria that convert them to the electrical impulses, the proton pumps that move my muscles. And the mitochondria are among the most sensitive of all the components of our body. They are only maybe 20, 30% efficient. I don't know exactly what, but they generate a lot of heat. That is, the glucose or the fat goes into the mitochondria. It's converted to electrical impulses, and the waste heat must be removed from the mitochondria. If it's not, the mitochondrial DNA can be damaged. And that is bad enough to kill you. Mitochondrial disorders are associated with aging and disease. Your body needs to protect your mitochondria from overheating, and fatigue is the protective response. So what happens if you cool your body while you're exercising? Turns out you get a big boost in your endurance because you're doing that essential job, extracting the heat so your mitochondria don't overheat. You're doing that essential job that otherwise your sweat glands or your vasodilation or other mechanisms of heat extraction would have to do on their own. And when you accelerate heat extraction, you extend the amount of work that your body can perform.